Hello friends, you are studying chapter 5 arithmetic progression of NCERT. Here exercise 5.3 question number 19 you will see. 200 logs are stacked in the following manner. What is given? 20 logs in the bottom. How many? 20 logs in the bottom. 19 in the first one. Previous one 18, and then you are seeing that the next one has shown, and then the 200 logs are placed, that is so on, and the total is given 200. Total is given 200. In how many rows the logs are can be placed, and how many logs are there at the top row. Top row means last AN you want to find out. Top row from reverse order you want to n times. Here is the AN. So how many rows here? First you prove that D1 and D2, 19 minus 20 minus 1, D2, 18 minus 19 minus 1. So D1 is equal to D2 is equal to minus 1, so it is an AP. If it is an AP, then what is A? 20. What is D? Minus 1. What is N? Not given. What is Sn? Given 200. Sn is given 200. So you will apply the formula Sn is equal to n by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This formula Sn is given here. How much? 200. 200 is given. 200 is equal to n by 2. 2 into 20 plus n minus 1 into minus 1. So you are getting 400 is equal to n 40 plus 40 minus n plus 1. So you are getting 400 is equal to 40n, 41n. 40 plus 1, 41n minus n square. Transpose this, you get n square minus 41n is equal to plus 400. Plus 400 is equal to 0. I am transposing this side. Okay. So easily you can get the. Now you will find out the 400. This. How will you get? Prime factorization 20 but it will be not there. 2 plus and here minus is given. So 100, 10 to 50 ja 225 ja 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8 2 ja 16. 16 and 25. What are you getting? 16 and 25. 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8 2 ja 16. 16 plus 25 is 41. 25. 41. So n square minus 25n minus 16n plus 400 middle term factorization, n common, n minus 25 minus 16 common, n minus 25 is equal to 0. You are getting a 2 factor, n minus 25 in one bracket, n minus 16 in another bracket. What is n? 25 and n is 16. You are getting the two answers. There will be a 16 rows or there will be a 25 rows. So if n is equal to 16, then what is the last row? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is equal to n plus n minus 16. Here A16 is equal to A plus 15D. What is A? 20. 20 plus 15, what is the D? Minus 1. So you are getting what is 20 minus 15, there is a 5. It is given 16 rows, then the top row there is a 5. But when you will get N25, then A25 is equal to A plus 24D. What is A? 20 plus 24 minus 1. 24 into minus 1. So it will give you 20, 20 minus. So you are getting, so reject. Why will you reject? It is not possible. The number of logs in the top is negative. So what is your answer? 5 and 16. There are 16 rows and 5 rows in the top layer, top row. So very important this. It is very important that why will you reject this? Then N25 will be rejected because it is giving the negative number. Here both are positive, so both are the possibilities. Question number 20. There is a game of the putting. There is a game in which you are seeing the one game is there, potato race, which is called the potato race. Potatoes are placed different places, and here is a bucket on which the person is moving from this place and dropping this here there. So it is given each is 5 meter. First it is given first one is there and running 3 meter each, dropping the potato from it start. So here it is given the first potato, from here it is given 5 meter, and then rest are 3 meter. It is given. Question number 2. So what is the game is start the running from the bucket, come to pick the one potato and then drop it. So what is the distance covered? One person is coming here and then it start and go here. So 5 plus 5. What is the first distance? 10. Another time the girl is coming at this place and then it is going this place, means 8 and 8. So 16. Like this you are getting. So twice 2 into first distance, 2 into second distance, 2 into what is the first time? First time. How many potatoes are there? It is also given. To same way, a container 15 meter, 5 meter in this. In the potato red bucket, they place at starting point. 5 is the first potato and then 3 in successive. 10 potatoes. How many? 10 potatoes. Number of potatoes. Number of potatoes are given 10. First distance D1, distance 1. Distance 1 will be 2 into 5. What is 10 meter. First potato. Distance 2. Distance 2 will be 2 into 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3, 8 to the 16. Distance 3 is equal to 8 plus 3. Distance 3 is equal to twice into 5 plus 3 plus 3, 8 plus 3. That is again 5 plus 8 plus 3, 11. 11 to the 22. So what is there? You are getting 10, 16, 22 up to how many times? 10 times. So what is D1? D1 is 16. A2 minus A1, that is 6. What is D2? 22 minus 16, 6. Because D1 is equal to D2 is equal to 6. So it is an AP. So what is the A? 10. What is the D? 6. What is the N? 10. What is Sn? You want to find out. Sn is equal to N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So S10 is equal to 10 by 2, 2 into 10 plus. First distance is also 10 and number of potatoes is also 10. 10 minus 1 into, what is the common difference? 6. So 5 into 20 plus 9 into 6. 5 into 20 plus 54. So 5 into 74. 5 4 ja 20. 5 7 ja 35 plus 2 37. So 370 meter is the total distance covered in this potato race. That's all. Your exercise 5.3 is completed, and one optional exercise is left that I will tell you in the next lecture. Thanks.